What's up, Beardsters? It's great to be back on a Thursday night at long last. It's Thursday right now. The video will be live sometime after this video recording has taken place because I am so disorganized where I've been fairly sick. Anyway, let's cut the crap. It's great to see your smiling faces here. For any of you who are new to the Beardster channel, I'm Daniel over here at Beardster. We make a bunch of, let's call them lifestyle videos. Lifestyle in the sense that we make videos for the bearded lifestyle. That's our focus over here. And we're slowly expanding that sort of niche. We're going to talk about self-improvement, some of our own Beardster values. And Beardster is a beard media company and a beard care company. So we make all natural beard care products as well. Check out our website once you've watched this video. But guys, today we've got a first on the channel. It is a review of the Brio Beardscape Beard Hair Trimmers. Call them what you want, they can do both because, you know, it's a spoiler alert here, they're pretty awesome, let's be honest. Now, these gems will set you back £52, but watch to the end. See some of our points on them and this £52 investment, and it is an investment, is going to feel like absolutely nothing. So for £52 you get these, the trimmer itself, you get a bunch of guards that clip on here. You know, you can do your hair, you can do your beard at various different lengths. You get, lucky I had it on hand, this nifty little travel case. You can fit the trimmers in just here and you can fit in an accessory. I keep one guard in just there, and you've also got this little brush that you can, you know, clean the blades off with. So it's not a bad case overall whatsoever. Let's talk about the specifications on this bad boy because they're pretty awesome. This blade is, there was a hair. So this blade is a ceramic blade. It's not stainless steel. It's not prone to overheating. It's not gonna snag at your beard. So when you're bringing that razor down, for those of you that actually, you know, maintain a beard rather than just grow it all out like I'm doing now, you're not gonna get snags. You're not gonna get that plucking sensation. It just scissors through, and the blades work really fast. They scissor through. You can just you can just sort of do it with minimal effort. And when I shaved off my beard entirely to do this beard journey that I'm currently undertaking, it just sliced through the hair on my face like it was nothing. Now, because it's a ceramic blade, you can't just like pour water over it, and mainly because it's, you know, it's an electric item. You can't just pour water over it to get the hairs out. You need to use the brush. You need to brush away those hairs, and that takes a little bit of time. You need to get that just right because some will get stuck in there. There's some stuck in there now. I'm not going to worry too much about that though. And you've also got this oil that comes with it. I keep mine in the bathroom, and you can just dab it onto the actual blade itself, or you can put it onto the brush, brush it on. Helps get, you know, helps keep the blades lubricated. And I mean, who doesn't mind a bit of lubrication? I don't think I could have said that any more creepy. Yeah, it didn't sound creepy when I wrote it in the script, but we'll just go with it. Now you can actually just use the blades like this to give yourself a trim, and if you do that, you're going to have a very, very short beard. But it's really good. You can pretty much get down to skin. There's another guard here, just here, that actually prevents you getting all the way to skin, and it also acts as a safety mechanism. You're not going to get any grazes, cuts or burns. Not too many burns. I suffered a couple of burns, but I was proper going to town when I trimmed up the beard completely. But you're not going to get little snags and cuts over your face because the blade doesn't physically get to your skin like that. It's pretty cool. Now, for those of us who have really thick, curly, stubborn, wiry hair, sometimes you'll find that trimmers just can't do anything. They start plucking the hair. And that's because they just don't move fast enough to cut through the hair. You don't need to worry about this. We've got a bunch of rotation per minute settings, and I think they go from, so the rotation settings on there, you can go from 50 RPM to 70 RPM, pretty fast, and it's going to do the job for any type of hair. You're not going to have to worry if you've got really thick bushy hair, it's just going to slide through it like it's air. So it's really good for those kind of beards as well. If you want to maintain a set length, just whack one of the clippers on. They're all marked up with the specific measurements, and you've got some additional measurements here of how close you can go. So it's from 1.3 to 1.9. You get a little bit of leeway when you've got the clippers on as well, and you can work out what length you can have the beard or what length you want the beard, and then maintain that going forward. I don't know about any of you, but when I used to maintain a shorter beard, I used to always use the trimmers maybe once a week, and I would get trim in one side and then my trimmers would just run out of juice, and I'd have a one-sided beard because one side would be nice and neat and like I've sorted it out, got it to my desired length, and this side would be a little bit bushier, and you could tell, and I would have to quickly go and charge them up. I don't need to worry about that. I know exactly how many minutes I've got left. Typically you get up to 4 hours of charge time per charge. The charge only takes 3 hours, and you can just, you know, just plonk it on the base that it comes with, and you just leave it there to charge away. You'll see everything on screen, you'll know when it's ready. Because you can see everything on this screen, you're never going to pick up these trimmers, start trimming away, and then run out of juice. You're going to know exactly how long you've got to do it, and if it isn't enough, you're just going to quickly plug it in and charge it for a bit. One last point about these trimmers, because I don't want to go on too much about them. They're awesome, like there's no doubt about it. They're very quiet. Like you can run them, they're not very loud, like it's not too bad whatsoever. That's on the highest RPM setting. Let's whack it down to 50, and it's pretty quiet. It just slices through the hair. I'm not going to obviously do that, but it's not too loud whatsoever. You should really be able to hear me over these trimmers right now, and it's great. Like I don't like really loud trimmers in my ear if I'm trying to trim up the beard. There's nothing more annoying than that. But guys, I think that is it. Like I can't fault these trimmers whatsoever, and I would recommend them if you are in the market for some new beard trimmers. Anyway guys, it's Daniel from Beardster here. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on Sunday. Goodbye.